going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, back with another inspirational video. A little late on this, but I just want to share my thoughts on just the general market, the S&P 500, really quick. Listen, I understand that Biden dropped out of the race, and some people are going to say that it's going to have negative effects on the market. However, guys, this market has been destined to, I would say, at least pull back. Maybe not crash, but at least pull back. All right, and you guys know that I'm ICT / supply and demand all day. So let's take a look at what I see. All right, so we can say that we are currently on a dealing range from 41.22.25, all right, up to 57.21.25. Why is that? This is the leg, all right, that we had sell side and buy side taken out, right? Sell side here, buy side here. This would be the leg after that. Okay. All right. So our dealing range is going to start down here at 41.22.25 all the way up to this point, 57.21.25. We want to see at least a 50% pullback. That's what we would like to see. All right. Doesn't necessarily mean that it has to pull back all the way down here, because that will be quite a quite significant pullback. Damn near saying that it's a crash, right? So, however, guys, I am a little bit of a conspiracy theorist, and the powers that be could be setting some things up, but that's a whole nother video for another channel. So discount wise, we want to see it pull back to 49.21.75, right? Just to consider this a discount. Okay. However, we could be playing off of price ranges, all right? And so, I mean, the current price range itself is here, all right, at 55.02.75 up to 57.21.25. Okay. However, that would mean that we are pretty much in OTE territory right now. So I don't think that's the case. I think we're going to get a little further pullback. Now, when we talk about the previous / next candle theory, all right, let's take a look at last week. Last week candle swept the high, closed below the low. So that would mean, for me, I'm expecting this week's candle to at least expand to the downside to 55.42 flat. Okay, let's take a look at the daily. All right, what did Friday's candle do? Close below Thursday low. So on the daily, I think that this is a algorithmic target. All right, the low of Friday at 55.42 flat. All right, what did we do today? Expanded up, tapped into this daily fair value gap, and now we see that the market is doing what? Starting to expand down. All right, so it's starting out looking good as far as my bias. All right, so now let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, the 4-hour, you can see here, price did what? It expanded up into this order block, right? Respected the order block up here, as well as this breaker right here. Respected the breaker, okay, and gave us two good tries to come up and close above this high into this fair value gap. But what did it do? It also respected the fair value gap. Okay, so now we have this fair value gap here on the 4-hour that we're currently respecting. And so we want to see if the market will continue to respect this fair value gap or if it will close below it. If this 4-hour fair value gap is inverse, and for me, I'm completely looking for sales. Okay. Now let's drop down to the 1-hour just to see what's going on. Let's see. Let's look to the left. What do we have here? Okay. We have a 1-hour breaker. All right. This high to this low. All right. This low being taken out. So we even have not a unicorn, but just a breaker on the 1-hour. And that would be here to here. And what the price do on the 1-hour so far is respecting that 1-hour breaker. Okay. Let's see if we, all right, so we do have a 1-hour fair value gap right here. All right, this will be a busy, but we'll just do a fair value gap. This 1 hour is currently being respected. We have 2 more minutes in this current hour. All right, it could push through and break and inverse that fair value gap in 2 minutes. We'll just have to see. All right, I don't know if I'll still be recording the video by then, but let's take a look at the 15-minute. Okay. All right, we don't actually have a breaker anywhere. All right, let's see. Well, we do have this low to this high, but this low has not been broken. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Okay, this low to this high. All right, the wick of the breaker has been respected, but not the actual 5-minute breaker, right? So my bias again, guys, is the market is going down. I don't know if, I'm not saying it's going to come down to 49.21.75, but relatively speaking, that is pretty much what we want to see when we talk about buying things at discount. All right. And again, that's based off of the dealing range that I have defined. All right. Now we could be going off of a price range. And if we're going off of a price range, this would be the current price range. We have this low and we have this high. Okay. But I think that the market is going to go down some more. So, all right, guys, that is my take on the market so far. You guys let me know what you think, if you agree or if you disagree. Until next time, my prayer for you guys is health and wealth and safe trading and investing to you.